Hi there, guys. My name is Michelle Rochester, and I am one of the leaders of the Learn to Be Healthy team. And I wanted to go over with you today about a couple of the do's and don'ts of using essential oils. So, the first do, be sure to keep your oils in a dark, cool place. So, I keep mine in a shelf away from the sunlight. The sunlight will actually start to break it down. It won't make it go bad, but it just won't have as strong of a potency. Now, the don't to go with the essential oils is don't put your finger on the top and tip it when you do that. It does get germs on it. Now, I will say I'm guilty of doing it and nothing bad has happened. But if you want your oils to last longer, just try to drop it into your hand. Next, don't. Do not put your oils in your eyes, in your ears directly. So I do something that's called the ear technique. I put a couple drops on my finger, stick it in, rub it around. The oil is not being dropped into my ear. And I have not yet put any oils in my eyes, so I don't really recommend doing that. If you happen to wear contacts or get some in your eye, I of course, wear contacts. So if I put oil on and I forget and I put my contact in, it does burn pretty significant. So be sure to have a carrier oil. Now, a carrier oil can be almond oil, coconut oil. There's a lot of them. The only oil I do not recommend using is vegetable oil. And that's because there's a lot of genetically modified products in it. And your oil is going to try to break down bad stuff, and that's bad. So just try to get something healthy, almond, olive, or coconut oil. Those are great ones to start with. Okay, so there's something called a hot oil, or that's what we define it as. So basically there's 3 oils that come in your kit: the Panaway, the Thieves, and the Peppermint. That would be considered a hot oil. Now, all that means is that it could irritate your skin a little bit. Oregano is definitely a hot oil. I put that at number 1, but that don't come in your kit, so we'll worry about that later. With hot oils, we highly recommend that you dilute them, especially for children. Now, the Panaway, I have put that directly on my son, never had a problem. Same with Peppermint and Thieves. The Thieves, I will say, anywhere other than the stomach or the feet, I would do diluted. But this is where you use your judge. Now, diluting anything, again, you're going to use your carrier oils. So you can get a little jelly jar. Remember, oh, I didn't tell you that part. You want to use either glass or stainless steel. Do not use plastic or styrofoam. They will deteriorate, break down, and you'll have oil everywhere. So you don't want to do that. So when you put your Thieves or your Peppermint in one of those little jars, be sure to just add coconut oil, olive oil. You can do a 1/4 cup to 10 drops. It's going to have the same potency. It's just going to last a lot longer, which saves you money. So that helps you in the expense part of it. You can dilute any or all of your oils. Now, you do not want to put any that you've diluted into your diffuser. It will break your diffuser. So the next no-no. There is a spot on your diffuser that has a no-no button or a no-no line. Do not go above the red dot or the line on the inside, or else the diffuser will break quicker. Well, it'll break. Your diffuser should last a while, and you do have a 1-year warranty on all of your diffusers. So if something happens and you get it, be sure to contact your upline or contact Young Living, and they will make it right. Some more do's that you can do. You could take the oils internally. You can take them topically, and you can put them in your diffuser. Now, there's a few oils in your starter kit I don't recommend putting in your diffuser because it's kind of a waste. Digize is one of them. So Digize does better on your body. So, and it kind of has a smell to it. Some people love it. Most people don't. It smells like black licorice. So I don't know if we've all been traumatized from Easter candy when we were a kid, but I'm not a fan. But I do love Digize to be put on my stomach or on my feet. So just as a thought there. Okay, so those are kind of your main big points there. There's other do's and don'ts that you want to pay attention to. We will post a list of them as far as sharing and talking about the oils. But for right now, just use them, enjoy them. They're great. Oh, and one more thing. Your oils are completely safe for your pets, but you definitely want to dilute. And we'll talk about that a little bit further in the hunt here. You will find the pet section. So just be sure to check that out. And same with babies. There's a dilution, and we'll have that in there too. Hope you all have a great time. enjoy the hunt.